Glorious tribe. My name is Kevin Walton. I am here in Jacumba, California, at the Liberty Rising property where we did the men's convergence. Clearly, I was diving in and activated, which is why my voice is a little off right now. It's been a beautiful experience, though. The time period that we're in, this is the age of knowing who you are. And so being able to create a space like the Sacred Sons have created, of which men can come together to really face what's necessary to face, to step into a fuller, more present, more embodied expression of themselves in a very mature way, is necessary. And it's important that men understand they have a safe place with other men to face the things that it's time for them to face, to feel what it's time for them to feel, and to know how free they can be within themselves, and at the same time know where to make adjustments where they've been misaligned or they've been playing out distortions. Because part of this work, and probably one of the most important parts of it, is being able to face all the things that we spend so much time avoiding and neglecting. Because there's no way to really live in your fullest expression unless you integrate yourself fully. That means feeling the feelings that you've been avoiding feeling, facing those emotions that are offering you so much wisdom. And it's been really beautiful to witness so many men in such a powerful state that are offering guidance to men, and the men who are willing to just dive in. So what's happening here at the Convergence, I mean, it's the tip of the iceberg. We're barely scratching the surface on what it can be. But to see how many men, over 100 men, coming together because they're willing to step into something greater. They're willing to ask for support, which is necessary. And they're willing to do the work that's necessary. So I encourage all you out there, all the men out there, there's so much more to you. In any space that you're in that you do not feel like you have adequate support, or there are things you're struggling with you do not know how to deal with or face, come get with the Sacred Sons. Come connect to the men's convergence. Come realize that there are spaces for you, that you are not alone. And we are all in this together. And not just men and women, we are all in this together in every respect. It's just important for everyone to do the necessary work. And this is the work we're doing for ourselves, that we can continue to show up in greater capacity. So I'm immensely grateful to be a part of it. I'm immensely grateful to offer guidance and immensely grateful to receive it. And this is what it is. This is what it's time to do. Like all the stories we've been telling or played. And while we're at it, you can go ahead and let go of the concept that you're broken, that you have to be fixed, that you have to be saved, that you're sick, that you're toxic. Fuck all of that. You're just playing out certain misalignments that can be shifted and restored. You've just experienced certain painful or intense experiences that can be faced and shifted. You're more than all of it. Come to the men's convergence and remember that. You do not have to keep telling the same story. You do not have to keep playing out the same distortion. You don't have to play out misalignment. Own it. Take command of your life. It's your time, brothers. And the world is calling for you to do so. And we are here. Thank you.